Hello everyone, thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. So here we are with a partner and friends new business venture, and it is a 2006 Ford E350 Super Duty van. It is a gas, not diesel, and we got to get it running, get it up to operating, everything working as it should. I mean, every part of the truck, even the part that you're not thinking of, and I will demonstrate. Motor runs good, solid. Go check out the lights. All right, come on here. Got to do center link. Center link is done. And yeah, brand new piece. Now we gotta get alignment. So we'll be handling all the detailing and cleaning of the vehicle, inspection, make sure everything is working properly. But the main part of this video is what it is. It is a mobile dog grooming business. Bee's Paw Affection. There'll be a number at the bottom of the video for you to reach out if you need your wonderful pet groomed on site at your house or your job or anywhere. Tri-state area. New Jersey, New York, Connecticut. Okay? Just doing some work to it, waiting for the graphics. Here's the back here with the plumbing. You got your HVAC system. You got your heating for the water, for the pooches and kittens. All right? Like I said, we're overhauling it. It needs some love. All right? So, okay, and then it's probably the best part of the vehicle. This wonderful machine. Beautiful Cummings. So here we go.
What about my car?
Oh, who's that? Oh, Ramirez Twins Racing. How you doing, son?
Good.
Whoa! Did you do that?
Yeah.
What a nice job. Good job, bro. 5. All right. What's your name?
I don't know Ramirez.
All right. Say hi to YouTube.
I made it.
You made this, yes you did. That's awesome.
And I made it for 40 years.
Okay, well we're gonna get a new battery for you because you deserve it, and that way you can hop on thing and do some fun stuff. All right, so back to the Cummings, and here we go. We're gonna prime it. I think that should be good, and then we're gonna start it.